Guys, it's Monday at 7 p.m. A subscriber sent me this Cincinnati chili right here. And she just highly recommends it. She says it's the best chili she's ever had. She's never had a chili like this. It tastes so good. She recommends it on the chili dog and spaghetti. So tonight for dinner, I'm gonna make a chili cheese dog. I'm gonna do a video with spaghetti and a little salad with French dressing. So it's like, it's not just all chili and cheese. It's something a little bit healthier, I guess. And I was looking at the pictures, and when they do the chili, Cincinnati chili, like with the spaghetti and the chili dog, they put a lot of cheese. So I'm gonna do that, a lot of cheese. But before I do a video, of course, I'll be doing a little face mask. This is what I got at, I think CVS. This is a simple one. I really like this one a lot. It's a cream mask. It's water boost, hydrating sheet mask. So let's try it. For some reason, I came home today and my refrigerator door was open. So maybe it didn't close all the way. So this is not super cold like I would like, but it's still cold. It's just not super cold. Which I don't think these have to be super cold, but it just feels good to the face, I think. I think it's really good for the face. It was cold or extra cold. Ooh, it is cold. Okay, guys, just make sure it's on. I looked at the mirror. Looks pretty good. Probably leave it on for 20 minutes and I'll get back to you in 20 minutes. All right, guys, I had the mask on for about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and take it off. This is a good one. Seems to gain the excess from the mask. I just love Korean masks, the best. All right, guys, yeah, I look pretty good. So I'm gonna get ready to make my chili spaghetti, chili hot dog, and salad. And we're gonna do a video tonight. All right, guys, we have the chili cheese dog with onions, lots of onions, chili cheese spaghetti with lots of onions, and the salad dressing, and salad with ranch dressing. Yum! All right, guys, it's Tuesday. I'm super tired, so I just have a simple meal. Just Kraft macaroni and cheese and a hot dog with ketchup. And I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. It's gonna be called Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. I watched this in the movie theater quite a while ago, and it was really good. So my goal is to watch the sequel. So I want to watch the first one first, and this is the sequel. So I'll watch that soon too. So that's my night tonight, guys. All right, guys, I'm taking a little break from the movie, and I'm just gonna put this face mask on, take a bath, and probably have some coffee, finish the movie. But I wanted to try this. This is a new face mask. See what it looks like. This is from one of my subscribers. Says to leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to do that. It says it's called a Radiance and Moisturize Boosting Mask. I think, oh, it's from Germany, so I can't really read a lot of the stuff. That's all I can read. So let's try it out. I think it's a face mask. Yeah. So it's very wet. The cloth is kind of thick. That's what it looks like. I have to say, I've never tried a face mask from Germany before, so it's just be interesting. That's so cold because I put it in the refrigerator, but it's better when it's cold though. Cold. All right, I'm gonna take a bath and just relax with the face mask, and I'll get back to you in about 15 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take it off. This was a thicker one, so let's go ahead and rub it in a little bit to get all the moisturizer or things. Yeah, that was a good one. My face feels like it looks like a little bit like better complex, lighter, fresher, more moisturized. So yeah, it's a good one. Thanks, subscriber. Next, I'm going to make some coffee and finish that movie. All right, guys, I didn't finish that movie. I actually did some journaling today, and I wanted to write down what I wanted a new boyfriend, and I did something called scripting. If you guys know what scripting is, basically what you do is you kind of like write, like let's say you want a new job. You just write that, you write down what you want a new job. Hey, I got this great job. I'm making 20 bucks an hour. I have great employees. The commute is great. So it's like that, but I decided to write in a journal. Scripting was actually kind of like what I'm looking for in a boyfriend, you know, like it's already happened. I've did this before to get my apartment, and I think this apartment is perfect for me. So I am going to do this experiment a little bit, you know. The other day I wrote down what I wanted in a boyfriend. Now I'm just scripting and, you know, about me and my new boyfriend. I think I feel like it's going to be 3 months from now, because I needed to heal from this past relationship. It's very toxic for me, you know. But basically, I'm looking for somebody who is mature, nice, and who respects me, you know. I'm not looking for, like, somebody who has a lot of money and all that other crazy stuff. Just, you know, if they're nice, I mean, as long as they're nice to me, because my other boyfriend wasn't very nice to me, so I'm just trying to figure out what I didn't like about him and just see what I want in a new boyfriend. And I definitely want a new boyfriend, but I'm not really in a rush. So I did some journaling today, and I'm going to probably journal tomorrow night, because I'm also off tomorrow night. And I'll probably finish that movie tomorrow. That movie was so freaking long. But yeah, I'm going to go to bed right now. It's almost 11:30. So one of my subscribers gave me stuff for my birthday. It's called a lip sleeping mask. So I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to try that before, I think you're supposed to put it on before you go to bed, like overnight. So I'm going to try that. I don't know what it really does, but I'm going to try that. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And then you just put it on your lips right here. It smells really good. I don't know, like a fruity smell. Yeah. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. All right, so it's Thursday around 9:30 p.m. I just came from work. I got a couple items at Walmart. Let me show you what I got. So I got some, I was out of cherry Pepsi, so this was $2.74. I found this on sale, I think, at Target one time for $2.50. So this is an okay price, but it's not the best price. Got some half and half on the low, $1.48. I was craving some like flour tortillas, maybe like a cheese, a little snack, or quesadilla. But I guess these are corn tortillas. I didn't really look at the label. It looked like they were flour tortillas. So these were $1.98. Pretty good deal for 3 of them. I got a couple of candy bars because I always crave sugar and chocolate. So this is Snickers, my favorite, probably candy bar. This was 88 cents. These are both 88 cents. This is a Kit Kat birthday cake. It's pretty good, 88 cents. And I got a simple notebook. This is only $1.47. I'm trying to like write down my thoughts and just kind of like write down what I'm grateful for. And just do more scripting. And, you know, just trying to write my life how I want it to be. So So I got that. Now I want to make a cheese quesadilla. All right, here is a corn tortilla. I'm gonna add some cheese now. And I'm gonna sprinkle some onion. Let it cook for a few minutes. All right, let's try this. Looks really cheesy. It looks really, it's hot too. It's good. I think I prefer flour, but it's pretty good. All right, so it's Saturday around 12 p.m. at the post office. The subscriber said they sent me a package. Hopefully it's there. Let's find out. All right, guys, so I did have a package. That was really, I can't wait to open this on my next live. It should be fun. And I got an unexpected letter. The subscriber didn't say they were going to send me something. So it's always nice to be surprised. I love that. And it feels like there's something in here. Maybe a gift card. I don't know. But I'm excited to, it's from Nikki. So I'm going to be opening 2 of those on my next live video. This should be fun. Okay, it's 9:45. I just came back from Walmart. I got a couple of items. This I couldn't believe is only $2 at Walmart. It's really good. Normally it's like $5 at Safeway or Whole Foods, one of those stores. Lucky. I think this was like $3, so a good deal. And another Amy's like $1 something. Really cheap, really cheap. Yeah, only a couple items today at Walmart. And for like a little snack after work, I got some of these chips. Add some sour cream. I'm gonna add some of this mild Taco Bell sauce to this. Might be a little bit too much, but I had this yesterday, but I put the sour cream and sauce on the side. I thought today I would just put it on top. And I also want to sprinkle with cheese. I know it might sound weird, but I just had an idea that it might be good. So let's try some. Let's try this one right here. It's really good. Especially with the sour cream. It's really good. All right, guys, it's Sunday night around 10:30 p.m. I came from Walmart. I got a couple of more items at Walmart. I was low on eggs, so I got some eggs. I can't find my receipt. I don't know the prices, but these eggs were probably around $2. Smart ones. It's pretty good. I got a couple of great value half and halves. Cheap. I got this. I got this pizza. I never had this before. It was only $1.36 for this pizza. So I think I'm going to actually do a live video tonight. I just made some coffee. I'm really craving pizza and coffee tonight. So that's going to come up soon. Got a couple of candy bars, Hershey's, Almond Joy. Sometimes I just crave candy bars or chocolate. Actually, I love chocolate. Got a romaine salad mix. And I got some Coke. So right now, I'm off all day tomorrow. I think tomorrow evening I'm going to do a live video for Taco Bell. But I'm off all day. So I think I'm just going to like... And my energy's really good tonight. So I don't feel that tired. So I think I'm just going to do a live video soon. Yeah. All right. So right now, I totally forgot. I have this old footage of my working at Walmart. I was like a little short vlog working at Walmart, talking to a couple of coworkers. So this was actually before the social distancing was in effect. It was also before we had to wear the face mask. You might see one employee wear the face mask, but that was totally voluntary. I think a few weeks later we had to wear the face mask. The social distancing was in effect. So just let you guys know, this is before, in case you're wondering why we're staying so close, this is before the social distancing thing. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Enjoy the work vlog, and I'll see you next week. Peace. All right, guys, these are my co-workers at Walmart. It's a slow day, right? This is Journey.
Hey.
Journey.
Hey, guys.
Hey, and this is Jason.
Jason. All right.
And this is
Sean.
This is Sean.
It's my first day.
It's not your first day.
It kind of is.
No, you've been here for like what?
6 months and counting.
Yeah, it's not a first day.
I kept
I
track.
love your camera.
I know it's so
How did it get like that?
Oh, it's because it's the new iPhone. That's why I have the new iPhone.
It's the new iPhone.
You want to be in my vlog?
Yes, get in it.
You can see my red hair.
And this is Alicia.
Hi.
She's my favorite cashier.
Oh, thank
She's
you.
so smart.
I love her. She's so
Her
sweet.
tiara is so sparkly.
And she's
Thank
nice.
you.
Hey, we love you.
And Journey is the best CSM.
This is Journey. She's a CSM
Thank you.
at Walmart.
Thank you.
Hi.
Are we famous
I
now?
love
No,
you.
not really
I love
famous.
Whoever's watching, I thank you for you.
Oh,
I
and
love-
Jason is going to be in one of my videos.
I'm eating some food.
And we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us.
We're
I
gonna
clean stuff.
do an In-N-Out, right, Jason?
Yeah, in and out.
In-N-Out. We're gonna do. You want to do In-N-Out?
The animal fries, good stuff.
Very soon.
And God bless you.
Oh, God bless you.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
All right. I'll see you guys
Gotta go.
in the next clip. Bye.
All right. Have a blessed day.
Bye. This is a coworker. She doesn't want me to tell her name, but
You better delete that.
I will delete your name. And do you want me to tell your name?
I'm Desiree.
Desiree.
I don't like it. Please subscribe to my channel, Reselling Schumann.
And how long have you been working here?
On videos. 2 weeks.
You like it?
It's not far. Yeah.
It's a good job, huh?
Huh?
It's fun, right?
Yeah.
It's the funnest job I've had.
She probably came in after I left.
My son's the same
Really?
way. He's camera shy too.
What's your other job?
I used to work at McDonald's.
A what?
I used to work at McDonald's.
Oh, really? Is this job better, or are you liking it? This McDonald's wasn't that bad. You work down the street?
No, I used to work at the Hilltop
Oh, the Hilltop.
in Richmond. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like this job. It's just chill. It's cool.
It goes by so fast.
Yeah, and they're not really bossy here.
I can wear whatever I want.
Yeah, you just wear a vest. Yeah. Awesome.